He's so... Okay, so guys, since that boat ride was so fast, he was actually crying. He was actually like so scared.
Help me, I'm going 20 miles.
No, he was like... Domino and Jett, hey! Domino and Jett, hey!
And more!
Hey friends, so this was our trip to Medellin, Colombia. Oh, this was our van ride. You guys see those tiny lights? That's actually the whole city. We were like riding off the cliff, like riding on the cliff.
Riding off the cliff?
No, riding on the cliff, and I was so scared. I thought we were gonna fall off, but we had to go through this big tunnel. Like, so there's like a tunnel under like a mountain. It was super long, guys. Okay, so that was me when I was about like 5, 6, 5. Yeah, I was 5.
You were 5.
5.
No, you were 6.
Right now,
You were 6.
no, I was 7.
You were,
I mean, I was 5.
you were 5.
Wait, Daddy, was I 5?
No,
Was
you
I
were
5?
6. Oh, there's little Bandu.
That view had a lot of green land and like... Okay, guys, this is so embarrassing.
I don't feel it.
Okay, guys. Okay, don't judge me. I was only 5. It looked like I was trying to take a video.
You sure did?
I actually was trying to take a lot of videos there. That was our breakfast place. Okay, so it looks like we're on the road to go back to our home or something.
Maybe.
Or we're probably going...
Oh,
okay.
the boats.
Okay, so we had breakfast and then we were going to go on a boat ride. So guys, this was Guadalupe and we went on a boat ride and it was actually really fast. Like Mommy kept on trying to hold on to me like actually I didn't know how to play that.
Exactly.
Wait, Daddy would definitely like jump into the thing.
Yeah, Daddy is our hero.
Yes, and Mommy. Wait, actually one time I saved you. Yeah, I did because so there's a car. Oh, look at Mars! Oh my God, he's so. Okay, so guys, since that boat ride was so fast, he was actually crying. He was actually like so scared.
Help me, I'm going 20 miles.
No, he was like.
And
Wait, but
that's
Oh, yeah.
avocado lemonade stand.
Yeah, and there's this dog. Remember? The dog. Remember the dog? That he had behind the stand. Oh, yeah, and guys, we were actually like, I don't want to taste that.
But then it tasted so good.
Yeah, so Nana started trying to make it at home. Always try new things and stay tuned to Jett Eats. See, that was the dog. Okay, but anyway.
Oh no, it's a big rock.
Yeah,
stairs.
That's the big rock, guys, and there's like this it was like a stairwell, and look at how high it got.
Yep.
If you look closer, then it's gonna look really high to you.
We are so brave handling it. Like we're the bravest there ever was. Look at us, we're being so brave.
Okay, guys, I was crying. Look at Domino.
No,
guys, he's lying to you. He's lying to you,
That's my
guys.
brave face. I was being brave. Okay, I was being brave.
And that's why we were sitting there because we just didn't want to go up anymore. That was actually so high. I almost passed out. So he's lying, guys. Don't listen to him anymore. Oh, look at Mars.
Yeah, Mars. He's brave too. Well, Jett is the least bravest because she was like, I'm so scared. But me and Mars are just amazing because we're not.
He's lying, okay? He's
Not
lying to you guys. And they made it to the top. Oh, guys, can you see us in the background anywhere? No. So Mars and Daddy only made it to the top. Guys, look.
No.
He's circling the whole place.
We just didn't want to be in the picture, okay?
Okay, then where would we be?
We would be hiding from the camera, trying to not be seen, right?
No, we wouldn't. Why would we do that? Like,
Because
we would want to let people see you actually did that. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. I actually did save you because there's this car coming like.
What? I never remember.
And then we were walking to the store and then I was like.
I don't remember that.
I pushed you back.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't remember that.
Okay, so we actually really liked that. This was the umbrella road. Oh my god, why is this thing?
Look at the butterfly.
That's his toy he got for going all the way to the top.
He lost it in 3 days.
He hit the man with his toy.
So that was our restaurant. That was where we
That's me
went
playing
for
with
breakfast. There, no, Maury. Wait, I don't even remember when I had those sandals. Oh my god.
I do, and they stink. You used to wear socks with them.
Oh yeah. What? Okay, so and I also wore those sandals to like.
Wait, I'm taking the picture and I'm running so fast.
No, guys, we were in the car because you see the bottom corner. That's like a little ledge, the window thing. Yeah, this is poblado. And guys, don't listen to Domino again because he's still lying to you guys. Okay?
Why are you walking like that?
I don't know. Oh my god! Okay, guys, so that looks like
That's what we got from our
McDonald's.
Happy Meal thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember that shirt. I mean, I remember that like thing. Yeah.
Are you crying?
No!
You look.
Bro, I do not.
You look like Domino.
You look like you're going insane.
Yeah, that was where we were riding the horses. Okay, and guys, that was the horses. Okay, so guys, I was actually so scared because a mule like jumped over the thing and then it started trying to attack my horse.
Just
So then I started crying. So then like these rescue people had to come and take the mule over. Then I had to ride with my dad.
Carmela. My name's Carmela.
Sus.
And that was where we were riding the horses. Yeah, that was the mule that he was trying to handle. That was trying to kick my horse.
Ooh, there's such a thing to Carmela.
Let's clap it up for the mule.
Yay! So you wanted me to get hurt?
No, just joking.
Okay, so guys, I think that was where we were ending our horse ride. Oh, I remember that. So there's like my favorite soup. It was like this fish soup. Fish soup. Fish soup. Fish soup. Fish soup. Fish. Okay, so this was us at Santalina. So this was where we had all the croissants, like all the bread and all the treats like you would usually have at a cafe. And Santalina was actually really good. So this was where we were having breakfast in Poblado, and like there were like these like grown up, and they were like dancing, like break dancing, like outside. It was like a whole show. And the food was actually
Amazing.
better than all the other restaurants. Like, you guys gotta go there.
pretty sure it's good.
It was really good.
The
So
Santa Fe
so
Mall.
this was where we were at the Santa Fe Mall, and there's like this big play park with lots of there's a big ball pit. It looked like Mars was having a blast in there.
I love
The play pit. Yeah, me too.
Okay.
We all loved the play pit, guys. It was like 100%.
you can't get out.
Okay, so that was where we tried octopus. That's the octopus right there. Okay, so guys, that sushi was actually bussin'. This was where we rode the cable cars and we were in the air.
I like the views and the trees and houses. They made me like very happy.
The houses looked actually really old but pretty at the same time. So yeah. Okay, we were at Pergamino. Okay, so Pergamino, delish. So we always got to get like a Milo hot chocolate. We got hot chocolate in the morning every time we went there. We always got hot chocolate. And guys,
Just because
it was so stinking good. It was so good. Like, you guys gotta go there. 5 stars for Pergamino. Actually, 1,000. Perfecto. Excelente. Spanish words.
please cut this out.
Bruh. Okay, so guys, this was our last day in Colombia. Yeah, we were at Comune 13, and that was the most dangerous area in Colombia at one point. Yeah, you guys see that? Okay, so that's the Chucky doll. And like, it was so creepy, guys.
My favorite part was when up on the cable cars.
My favorite part was Pergamino. The food was so good.
My favorite part was the horseback riding.
That was our first trip to Colombia. There's gonna be a part 2. Because we actually went to Colombia 2 times. This trip we stayed for about 1 week. And the next video we're gonna stay for like 8 weeks. Because we were just doing the whole summer break. Give this video a big thumbs up. And smash the subscribe button. Give us a notification. Give us a notification. Make sure you check out Colombia because we had such a good time there, and I think you guys should have some fun like that too. Hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up.